Hi, my name is Leo. In this video I am going to tell you about Python. What is Python? Python is a general-purpose programming language. It is very simple and easy to understand programming language. It is used in AI, data science, machine learning, etc. Who all has interest in coding should learn Python because it is extremely simple. Why you should learn Python? You should learn Python to make desktop applications. To understand other programming language, Python is a good start. Python is also useful in competitive programming. If you don't know what is competitive programming, I will tell you in simple words. In it, we have to solve various problems with coding, yes, because Python has a very easy syntax. But if you want to do only competitive programming, you should go with C++, because C++ is best for competitive programming. But if you only want to make desktop applications, Python is best according to me. Can you do coding? Yes, you can. Everyone in this world can do coding, if she has knowledge of computer. But understand, I tell you the truth, coding is really boring. See, in coding you have to sit in one place for hours, just typing and typing, but when you understand how enjoyable is coding, you will love it. I give you an example. What if someone give a pencil and a paper, and tell you to draw anything you want? What will you draw? You will draw whatever you like. This is how coding is. You learn languages and you use it to make different types of things. You can make whatever you want, and while making it you enjoy it. And if you want to learn Python, and you don't know anything about coding, subscribe me. I will teach you coding in a very simple manner.
First open a browser, and type Python download or Python download, whatever. Click here, and download Python as I am doing. Remember to download the installer, not the zip file. Run the downloaded file and install. Remember to tick on Add Python to Environment variable. Now, as you have downloaded and installed Python in your system, we will need a IDE for writing Python code. Open a browser, and type VS Code. Do as I am doing, and install it. After installing it, open it, and download the Python extension. Create a new file, and save it with extension.py. You will code in this file. Whenever you want to write Python code, you can write it here, and press the Run button to run your code. It is located in top right corner.